Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the chocolates, full guide. Start by preparing 500 g chocolate, a thermometer, and molds on a clean surface. Chop chocolate into even pieces so it melts uniformly and avoids burning. Melt using a double boiler or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring between until smooth and glossy before tempering carefully to stabilize the chocolate for a professional finish. Tempering is crucial for texture and shine, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Heat dark chocolate to 45-50 degrees C, milk to 40-45 degrees C, and white to 40-45 degrees C, then cool to 27-28 degrees C for dark or 26-27 degrees C for milk and white. Rewarm slightly to working temperatures and keep the chocolate in that range while molding so pieces set up glossy and crisp without bloom. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe and like so I can keep making guides like this. Quick recommendation: I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth because it made me rethink planning for treats and goals in the same calm way. Take a peek at the description to find the link and extra deals if you want one. Alright, now let's get back to the video. For filled chocolates, create a firm but pipeable ganache or caramel that holds shape when cooled. Fill shells about 80% full. Tap molds to remove air, then chill briefly before sealing with tempered chocolate. Scrape excess, invert to release, and allow a final rest so flavors meld and textures set for a satisfying bite that looks as good as it tastes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.